It's red. Red. That's like an orange. Fire. Is it a fire ant? Oh, look at that. I'm sitting down here. Perfect.
Sally B. The creation of a Georgian emigre by the name of Alexander Nellie. In the way of armour action, Luftwaffe fighters or German flag interfering with their fighter threat. Likewise, the bombers themselves adopted different kinds of formation. The aim was always to try and ensure the best bombing accuracy over the target, while offering mutual fire support against fighter attacks, or later, when the Luftwaffe fighters became less of a danger, minimising the exposure of the bombers to flak. So the added the chin turret under their nose. The waist-gun positions were fully enclosed rather than being open or partially open as they had been on earlier models, and moved to improve the balance of the vision. Summer in Operation Transit, when the B-17Gs were involved in putting objectives too far east for conventional sources to achieve, and get home, for example, over Hungary or the far eastern parts of Germany. Boeing itself, but by other manufacturing facilities, including the Lockheed Vega plant at Burbank, California, and that is the factory from which this sole airworthy B-17 in Europe makes this a very, very special aeroplane. And here smoke goes on to represent a damaged engine, condition which so many flying forces manufacturing 50th anniversary. Sally B then, coming into land over the motorway, as it has done on so many occasions over the past 49 years and counting that it's been based here at Duxford. Touching down in the hands of Captain Peter Pipers and co-pilot Paul Schluer. As for the B-47, it's just in the air-to-air role itself, invasion. Valuable mount. Particularly effective, making diving attack. The thing is that the heavy aeroplane, with that top of the good deal of inertia, the B-47 can be wound up behind these guys, trying to put the high speed away. That's not the best kind of mistake. Aerial victories across all theatres claimed by P-47s during the Second World War. And it was delivering the coup de grace. This is the only flying P-47 in Europe. It used to be based here some years ago with the fighter collection, then went off to the States in new ownership, fighter squadron. As I mentioned, stationed at Gippsley in the New Forest around the D-Day period. It's utterly marvellous to see this aeroplane back here performing with us so regularly once again. And Stu Goldstick was at the controls for that beautiful presentation of the P-47, one of his favourite aeroplanes.
No, tu prevzal se čumu,